客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Yo, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes the music of Chen Weiru singing about what's happening right now. Snow in May is about to take place. That's the white tongue blossom. And this song is called Yu Tong Fa Koi Ge Si Jie, which literally means when the tongue blossom blooming. And you know what? Chen Weiru actually performs with his brother every year at the Tongue Blossom Festival. So to get you ready for it, let's listen to the song.
早晨一風從危樓露台向下去查掉，今日有場表演，可樂地方查檔，該從外太該一條走的山檔，拍街有通法。 有通花開嘅世界，愛到唱出真多故事本太假他。有通花開嘅世界，唱出客家人嘅真心本太假他。不管時代改變，經過一年又一年，任誰思念頭。 山芒大變嘅真心，該通花開，通花開。通花之最濃烈，有千多年來了，也有千多年那年照相機，老通花。 翕相，愛到第舞台上，那年伊達開水衝過，一個阿婆，對愛到笑。 油桐花開的世界，
油桐花開嘅時節就是油桐花開的時候，也就是現在。 这个是来自于新竹县客语歌手陈伟如的作品，而且呢，他总是会在桐花季的时候跟着弟弟拎着吉他呢到处去演出，非常有气氛。希望你们今天喜欢我们的介绍。My name is Joseph Lin, and thank you for listening. We will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.